Hi, my name is Irene.
And I'm Lisa, and we're coming to you direct from the Sisters Breakfast here at Family Worship Center. And we hope to see you next month at the Sisters Breakfast, because I always love my sisters.
Yes, we do. We're very loving. If you're new to Family Worship Center, we would encourage you to fill out the guest card that's right in front of you where you're sitting at. Fill it out, drop it into the offering box, and Pastor Dave would love to have the opportunity to call you and thank you for coming.
If you're new to Family Worship Center, we've got a great first step welcome dinner. It'll be next Sunday at 6 o'clock here at Family Worship Center, and find out all that we're about and all that we're doing. So remember to get your shoe boxes for Operation Christmas Child, fill it up for a girl or a boy, and bring it back. The collection is going to be November 16th through the 23rd. So bring back your shoe boxes full of toys. Pick up your shopping list at the door to buy products for the 186K Thanksgiving baskets.
Okay, the next one we have for you is to remind you about our Holiday Bazaar that is coming up next Saturday from 9 to 2. And they're going to be having lots of goodies that you can buy for your holidays. And we will also be having breakfast and lunch.
Over 40 vendors. There's a lot of stuff going on here Friday at Family Worship Center. Couples night out, they're going to meet here at 5:30, bring your favorite Thanksgiving dish, and then you're going to travel to Penrose together. All singles are invited to a shared dish dinner Friday at 6:30 p.m.
We also have the Angel Tree Ministry that we do, and we have 150 children of incarcerated people that need presents for Christmas. So if you can help out with that, we would really, really appreciate it. Okay, we'd like to also remind you to purchase your Christmas banquet tickets that are on sale today out in the foyer. They're for $10, and you better get them because they're going fast. See you next month at Sisters Breakfast.
Bring your favorite sister.